Hello everyone, good day. In today's video I will show you one of my little automations when I do my development work. Okay, as I am not actively developing anything, I sometimes try some things uh, in like Laravel or something. I do some development in the weekends normally. So there is a challenge here. There is a little bit of restriction as I don't have Laragon VS Code auto running. So when I try to start development, uh, what I have to do, I have to first run Laragon, then I open VS Code, and then I open my browser to go to a specific URL to check that. Okay, so for this what I have done, I have written a specific, let's just exit everything. Okay, so what I did here, I have let's just show you here. I have written a small batch file. So what I will do, when I run this batch file, it will start my Laragon. Okay, you can see start my Laragon path, and after that it will wait for 4 seconds. After that it will run my VS Code. I just give the VS Code path here. After that I specified the location for my working directory here in this third parameter. Then I will wait for 2 seconds. These are optional, so you can do or do not. And after that I will start my Chrome, and it will start in this specific location. Okay, then exit the script. Okay, this is my simple script. Let's see how this works out. I'm just running this. So it's started executing the things here. You can see everything is running automatically and smoothly here. First of all, my Laragon is running here. After that you can see my Chrome is opened in this tab, in this specific where I can log in or do my stuff. And after that you can see my VS Code is opened with the specific folder I am working on, as I have mentioned there in the batch file. Okay, so I think if you like to do some repetitive task, you can automate by this batch file. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful to you. Okay, so if you have any question, I can answer. Just ask in the comment section. That's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.